Ready to impress your family with a tasty treat? Let's dive into making the perfect Dahi Vada. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll need some urad dal, which you should soak for about 4-6 hours. Once soaked, drain the water and grind the dal into a smooth paste. Add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of ginger paste for that extra zing. Mix well, my friends. Now heat some oil in a deep frying pan. Using your hands or a spoon, drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil. Fry them until they're golden and crispy. Be careful, they can get hot. While they're frying, let's prepare our yogurt. Whisk the yogurt until it's smooth and creamy. Add a little salt, sugar, and a touch of roasted cumin powder for flavor. Now set it aside. Once the vadas are ready, take them out and dunk them into a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. This makes them soft and fluffy. Gently squeeze out the water and place them on a plate. Now, pour the yogurt generously over the vadas. Top it off with some tamarind chutney, green chutney, and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Don't forget the final touch, a dash of fresh coriander and a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds. There you have it. Delicious Dahi Vada. Perfect for any occasion and sure to impress. Enjoy your tasty creation.